Okay na sila, be. Wala na, okay na sa mga sikiting.
Spaghetti na, spaghetti din na. Alam niyo,
Water na? Wait, ito.
ano? Ako yung regular water.
Huwag niyo nang gamitin yung third floor.
Na gani. Cream
brulee. Tamis ko siya. Sugar nga mo doon nagikuan. Ito. Gina.
120 kung frontage kay 12 meters.
So as of the moment, we are actually outside our Airbnb. Quiet guys.
Ito si beer. Dari saan na?
Oh wow.
Dadon dahil. Dadon. Tempura. Atong kami natin diding. Atong kamalit yan din. Kung ipaan.
Universal Studio.
No, I think kailangan na spoon yun. Bao, anti diding bao. Bao.
Kyoto.
Kumusta mo?
Mahal yung dito sa first time mo?
Wala.
Look, anong binili niya, guys. Parang hindi niya gusto ito. Is we're in Dotonbori, like yung place na there's a lot of things na binibilhan ng mga luxury brands or anything. And then we are going back to Diglico, famous nanagdupang lalaki mo to, because yesterday there's a lot of people here. Then we didn't get a chance to take a picture properly. So today we are trying to kahapon kasi si Auntie Ding Ding nagpicture siya pero there's a lot of people. So what do you want to buy here, Clement? I'll say goodbye for now. Bye. Peace. Long? Nadyo day linya dito. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ron, what did you do, Ron? Iconic.
Season 1. Season 1 Part 1. Sige, let's find out.
Oh my gosh, guys! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Mawara jumingon ako. Katong palitan na nila Harry Potter. Oh my gosh!
Kasi sakaling. Kaya yung reflection.
Oh my gosh! Ano na keychain?
Nakulit ko. What the frick?
Oh my gosh, nagana.
Nice naman ka lang.
Pila ilang robe? Ay, robe. Robe ba? Napay ones. Ay, 16. Lito na kay mahal kayo. Ones. Wala, ones. Wand niya. Pila kayang wand, no? Look at that, guys. Oh, wala, wala pages.
Sige na.
Let's go.
Sige first. Sige first. Sa Nicole na lang sa Nicole na. Kaya doha man niya.
Here we go, guys. Oh my gosh.
2-4 na tanan, no?
Hello?
3, 2, 1. What is that? Saan na? I don't know.
Maglo ko, si Korea.
Kira. Oh my gosh! Yay! At least! Wala ka nice. Movie. Crowded. Saan ni? Saan ni? Urasan? Ito yung to si mama ni Ron sa Yaba. Kung nagyaw-yaw. Ay, mug din ni Cool. Cute sad. Same yapon. Okay po ni. Mga siya kay doon.
So I am going to grab this chance to share with you a little summary of the rides we got to try at Universal Studios, and of course the whole experience we went through while we were there. So if you guys are planning to visit, please take my advice, or please take this advice. So one is invest in express ticket. Yes, it's a little more expensive, but you'll be able to ride way more rides without spending hours in line. So trust me, it's more worth it and you won't regret it. Also, make sure to wear your most comfortable shoes because you'll be walking and standing a lot. So your feet will definitely thank you at the end of the day. And for us, since we didn't get express bus, we only managed to ride about 2 rides, and for each one we waited in line for more than an hour. Yes, an hour. So you can imagine how tiring that was. But even with all the waiting, it was still super fun. The atmosphere, the vibe, and just being there made it all worth it. And honestly, we know we'll be back here again, well, someday, and next time we'll be more prepared. So yes, I really love this trip that we had, and yeah, you won't regret it. And these are more clips of me taking video of this Universal Studios, like a cinema, theater, and all that. So yeah, let's proceed to the video of the Global Universal Studio Planet. Out of all the places I've been, this is where we felt the safest and most at peace. I have no regrets from this trip. It wasn't just about sightseeing, but also about learning how an economy works. Japan, I know I'll return one day. I don't know when, but I'll wait for God's perfect timing. And when that moment comes, I know it'll be worth it again.